Picked up a 1/4 trim router at a Harbor Freight. Instructions. Tools. Guide. 120-volt trim router. High power, lightweight tool, develops impression wood trimmer power. Item number 62659. Picked this up last night. This right here, adjustable. Take it all the way up by pulling it all the way down. Put the bits in it. Also picked this up at Harbor Freight. Router bit set, 5-piece. Quarter, half, 3/8, a half, and another 3/8. Keyhole, V-groove, round off, straight. I'm just doing something. Old scrap wood, testing it out. Cut you off and I'll cut you back on when I get it. It's pretty good. Just doing something. Trying to figure out these bits and stuff. I'll cut you off now. Got a little torque to it too.
Another hits jam from WebLoaded.com.
Bits and getting the feel of it, I reckon.
That's good.
Yeah, it look alright. Gotta come up with some more designs or something. Just overall, this trim router pretty good. I need to get some more bits though, router bits. Alright, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, share.